Good morning. Champions again, ole ole. Just been a chiropractor. I'm not going to work in this. Just been a chiropractor now. So yeah, it's hurting. Now, I've been aching on bottom of my pelvis, top of my pelvis, wherever my pelvis is. So I told him about it. So we focused down that area, and then his chair lifts up like this. And I stepped off, because you step onto a platform then. I stepped off and bloody hell. Don't know what they're doing there. It's like they've just set it on fire or something. But yes, so as regards to the last video, I said our Ewan has been picked to play for York City against Man United. He went training last night, took a knock on his hip, and his hips are only just recovering really. Quite a muscular thing going on in his hip flex and stuff. I don't know, but he's only just done it. And then he's got my man flu now, so he's having today off work. He's not going in to school, so he's not playing. So bless him. He's been looking forward to it as well. And then with his grassroots team on Sunday, he's playing top of the league, so he's like, he proper wants to play. He proper wants to play him. But yes, it's been a bit of a sad morning for him. Not sad, he doesn't cry. But like, yeah, disappointing for him as a lad. Just turned up now. As you can see, I'm in our lass's car once again. I need to buy a little van. I need to buy a little van if I'm running about all the time. But yeah, our lass does sensory classes, so she's got like loads of stuff to put into boot and this, and obviously my boot's probably the size of this bloody car, you know what I mean? So yes. So that means today we don't need to finish early. So I'm working over a bit today. I'm working Saturday. I'm going to listen to the Leeds game on radio. Working Sunday. And then we will have to go watch the Leeds United parade on the Monday. And then we're back at it on Tuesday again. So it's quite a busy weekend. Quite a bit of pressure off of other clients. It's not so much pressure, it's just that they're having a barbecue on a certain date for their 40th, and it's quite, how do you say it? It's quite tense. We need to get it done. Yeah. So yeah, we need to crack on, but we are cracking on today. So I'll get changed and I'll see you around back. Right then, so lads have already brought a ton in. Tom's just been for another 2.5. Put all round edging, all the way around for his blocks. Just try and zoom in for you. So the block, top of the block is going to this line of the sleeper all the way across, and then obviously the bottom of this sleeper here. Just put them 2 sleepers on. So when this patio runs across, we'll put his next flag in and then cut that sleeper. Done it plenty of time before where you've gone, right, it's there, cut it off. But then your patio comes like this, but then your planter will go on angle, so just leave it in until it's, tend to do patio first, but we needed to do that for his block or whatever. And then rake this out, whack it all again. But obviously blocks are like 60mm out there, plus a little bit of mortar underneath, so calling 100mm. 100mm worth of gap really, so it's quite a bit of faffing to do. Yeah, I've just sent Tom a massive list. He's got man flu like me, he's quite off me. Just sent Tom a list to go get, and it's like feather edge for here, feather edge for there, gate round there, blocks here, this here, that here, and then it's setting us up and we can get everything on site. But yeah, I think today will be quite a big day. I'm hoping so anyway. I'm hoping so. There's not a lot to do really, you know. There's Sometimes it'd be like, bloody hell, there's loads to do at this stage, but there's not a lot really. So yeah, it's all go. I'm gonna first thing I'm gonna do is we'll put this cable in, but he's just plonked it down ready for us to move this morning. Obviously these didn't know, and they've just stoned over it, so I need to pull this stone back, this hardcore back, get it down to level, then put cable underneath. Should have known really. Anyway, that's less of that. So you just put that text message and like a screenshot and a video. Yeah. And it was just like, thanks for going for a walk. I think we're making climbing. All right. I think that's 800. Mental, innit? Like, do you remember Dwayne, mate?
Yeah, I think it's
Yeah. He,
I don't remember what his face looks like that.
no, just blonde hair.
Yeah.
He's still blonde as old now.
Is it?
Still proper, no greys in there at all. He went into it, Raf. Got quite through, passed everything, did measurements on body. And he's like, there was this well-educated lad that suited the Raf, and there was this Leeds lad called Dwayne. Fucking Leeds lad, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And we were like, they're gonna fucking pick him somehow. Measured his arms and your arms too short, mate. You what? And everything, you know what I mean? It's like, what? Yeah, that's it. It's like an upper class.
Yeah, I think I do.
RAF is upper class, isn't it? Nice bit of reversing by myself there. So, we are done, as you can see. Oh, I forgot my fucking glasses and stuff. Excuse me, some more reversing. Right, that is a wrap. It's Friday. It's not the end of the week before anybody says, oh, we are working Saturday and Sunday, like I say. But today, I feel like it's just absolutely smashed it. Like getting them blocks in around edge. Getting them blocks in around edge is just so much easier. Like I was using string line for the first one, because obviously your patio Indian stone does this all over the place. So we'll put string line in, and then obviously you got your sleeper to run against, which we're doing 5 mil over the above the bottom of the sleeper, 5 mil above the bottom of the sleeper. So quite easy to gauge, and we were just smashing them in, really good. And then we've had a massive bonus today. The soil place where we're getting that soil from is open on a Saturday, 7 while 4, which is frigging amazing, because on a Saturday nobody opens. Or they will open, but then they'll only open till 12:30. But if you want to go buy something, oh no, don't come in after 11:30. Well, what are you doing for that last hour? Anyway. But yeah, we're that's a bonus tomorrow. So literally Tom is running that soil in. We're throwing it in between. I'm gonna do bit of fencing, bit of this, bit of that, bit of this, bit of that. So it's going to look well good. It's going to be good tomorrow. It's going to feel finished. But yeah, I'm going to go home and I'm going to have I'm going to talk our lass into having fish and chips. I haven't had fish and chips for ages. And then I'm going to have a few Baileys in garden. Because Laura's just left her school and got a new job, and everybody bought her drinks and alcohol. She got Baileys, and normally we buy Ballycastle from Aldi. We haven't shopped at Aldi for about 6 months now. Gone back to Asda again, but yeah, Ballycastle now, it's horrible. It's too chocolatey. Whereas Baileys, proper Baileys, is really creamy. And I haven't had this Baileys for ages, you know. Proper Baileys for ages. I've forgotten how nice it is. So like when you go in town, say, for example, tonight, I don't fancy it, I'll get us a Baileys. And they give you that much, don't they? We've got wine glasses that are big and wide. It's like, it's nearly half a bottle of wine is my wine glass. And yeah, I just filled it with Baileys. I had 2 of them, so like I'd literally like had a pint of Baileys the other night. Well, nice. I'm gonna have some more tonight. So enjoy the sun. Keep your sun cream on. And I will see you tomorrow, Saturday morning, 8 o'clock sharp.